Hello, everyone. As we grow older, life presents us with new challenges, many of which can feel overwhelming, especially when we find ourselves alone. Have you ever wondered how to cope with the quietness of an empty house? What do you do when the friends and loved ones who once surrounded you are no longer by your side? In old age, it's not uncommon to experience loneliness, and for many, it may seem like a difficult road ahead. The social circles we once relied on may shrink, and family members may move away or become absorbed in their own lives. But what if this time, when others have departed, could be a new opportunity for self-discovery, peace, and fulfillment? Loneliness in old age doesn't have to be a sentence of despair. It can be a chance to find new purpose, rekindle passions, and build fresh connections. While it may seem daunting to navigate life without the support system we once had, the truth is that there are countless ways to reconnect with the world, enhance our well-being, and embrace the solitude in a fulfilling way. In this video, we'll explore practical advice, inspiration, and guidance for elderly individuals who find themselves without company, providing helpful tips to foster mental, emotional, and physical well-being during these later years. Let's dive into the steps you can take to live a life full of joy, connection, and self-empowerment, even when there's no one left by your side. Acknowledge your feelings and embrace them. First, it's essential to understand that feelings of loneliness and loss are natural, and it's okay to feel sad or empty at times. Embracing these emotions rather than pushing them aside allows for healing and growth. Acknowledging the void left by a departed loved one or the absence of company can be a crucial first step in moving forward. It's important to remember that loneliness isn't a permanent state. It's a phase that can be managed and transformed into something empowering with time and effort. Being kind to yourself is key. Accept that grief and sadness are part of the human experience, and when experienced with grace, they lead to greater wisdom and emotional resilience. Develop new connections. While the people closest to you may no longer be present, this doesn't mean your social life has to cease. There are many ways to forge new connections and build relationships with others, no matter your age. Join community groups. Many communities offer senior centers, clubs, or volunteer organizations specifically for older adults. Joining these groups allows you to meet people in a similar age group and share experiences and interests. Whether it's a book club, knitting group, or cooking class, there are countless opportunities for making new friends. You can also explore local churches, temples, mosques, or synagogues, as they often host social activities for seniors. Volunteer. Giving back to your community can bring a sense of purpose and connection. Volunteering is an excellent way to meet people, form bonds, and feel like you're contributing to a greater cause. Whether it's helping at a food bank, mentoring younger generations, or assisting in animal shelters, your time and effort will be appreciated and allow you to interact with others while filling your own heart with satisfaction. Online communities. If leaving the house isn't always feasible, consider joining online communities. There are numerous platforms and forums dedicated to elderly people, where you can chat, share advice, and even participate in virtual activities like book clubs or cooking lessons. YouTube channels, blogs, and social media groups are also great avenues for engaging with others in similar life stages. Take care of your physical health. One of the most fulfilling and empowering actions you can take in old age is to maintain your physical health. Physical well-being directly impacts mental health and contributes to greater independence and vitality. Exercise regularly. Simple exercises like walking, swimming, yoga, or even stretching can significantly boost your mood and energy. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers, and helps prevent a range of health issues such as arthritis, heart disease, and osteoporosis. Eat nutritious foods. A well-balanced diet is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Focus on consuming whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar, as these can negatively impact your health. Nutritional choices can be a source of joy, especially if you experiment with new recipes or foods that support specific health needs. Stay hydrated. Often overlooked, hydration is a critical aspect of senior health. As we age, the body's ability to retain water decreases, making it essential to drink enough fluids daily to prevent dehydration. Water helps with digestion, joint health, and mental clarity, all of which contribute to a more enjoyable life. Prioritize mental well-being. Mental health is just as important as physical health, especially in old age. The absence of close companions can lead to feelings of depression or anxiety, but there are many ways to combat these feelings. Keep your mind active. Mental stimulation is one of the best ways to keep your brain sharp and engaged. Consider learning a new skill, picking up a hobby you've always been interested in, or playing brain games like crossword puzzles or Sudoku. Reading, writing, and learning new languages are also excellent ways to keep your mind sharp. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Mindfulness techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or journaling can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. These practices encourage self-awareness, acceptance, and inner peace, all of which contribute to emotional well-being. Regularly practicing mindfulness can create a sense of calm, clarity, and connection to yourself. Seek professional help. If you're feeling overwhelmed by loneliness or depression, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Many therapists specialize in helping elderly individuals navigate feelings of isolation, and some offer virtual consultations. Talking with a professional can help you process your emotions and find healthy coping mechanisms. Rediscover passions or discover new ones. Old age provides the opportunity to return to old hobbies, discover new ones, and rekindle passions you may have left behind during the busyness of life. Having a hobby or passion gives you something to look forward to every day, whether it's something that connects you with your past or something entirely new. Start a creative project. Whether it's painting, photography, writing, or crafting, creative endeavors are a great way to express yourself. Not only do they stimulate the mind, but they also bring fulfillment and joy. Completing a project, such as knitting a scarf or writing a short story, can provide a sense of accomplishment. Gardening. Gardening can be an incredibly rewarding activity, especially if you love nature. It provides both physical and mental stimulation, from planting and caring for flowers or vegetables to enjoying the beauty of your work. It also allows you to connect with the seasons and creates a sense of harmony with the world around you. Travel or explore new places. Even if you can't travel far, exploring new places locally can bring new excitement and inspiration to your life. Whether it's a day trip to a nearby town, visiting a museum, or taking a leisurely stroll in a new park, these small adventures can spark joy and curiosity. Embrace technology. In the modern world, technology can be a great ally in fighting loneliness and staying connected to others. Many elderly people feel disconnected from the digital world, but embracing technology can open up a whole new world of opportunities. Social media, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp can help you stay connected with friends and family. You can share updates, photos, and messages even if your loved ones are far away. Video calls through Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime can help bridge the gap and allow you to see your loved ones face to face. Online learning. Many websites offer free or affordable courses that can teach you new skills or deepen your knowledge on subjects of interest. Whether it's learning how to use new technology, studying art history, or mastering a foreign language, online learning is an excellent way to stay mentally stimulated and motivated. Virtual health services. If physical visits to the doctor are difficult, many health services now offer virtual consultations. Telemedicine can ensure you stay on top of your health without leaving the comfort of your home. Many fitness programs also offer online classes for seniors, helping you stay fit from your living room. Seek spiritual fulfillment. For many, spirituality plays an important role in finding peace and purpose in later years. Whether it's through religion, meditation, or a personal spiritual practice, nurturing the soul can offer comfort and strength. Attend religious services. If you belong to a faith community, attending services can provide a sense of belonging and connection to others. Many religious communities offer additional resources like prayer groups, study circles, and volunteer opportunities, which can also help build relationships. Engage in personal reflection. Journaling or meditation can help you reflect on your life and discover a deeper sense of meaning. Spending time contemplating the things you're grateful for or focusing on personal affirmations can lead to greater peace and contentment. While aging can bring about significant changes, it also opens doors to new opportunities and experiences. Loneliness may be a reality for many elderly individuals, but it doesn't have to define their quality of life. By actively seeking out new connections, staying physically and mentally engaged, rediscovering passions, embracing technology, and seeking spiritual fulfillment, you can lead a fulfilling and meaningful life, even without close companions by your side. In the absence of others, you can still find strength, joy, and purpose. Your later years can be a time of self-discovery, personal growth, and deeper connection with the world around you.